A word of warning with these Mapco hubs. Just because it has the dowel pin hole already drilled in there doesn't mean you should use it. I made that mistake and then found that the hole is not in the correct place for the 124. I've no idea what it's for, but it ain't for the 124. In any case, I ground those pins off. It's not possible to push them out while they are mounted in the wheel carriers because they will foul the bearing housing behind it. So really grinding them was the only choice. You can't drill them out, they're hardened and the drill bit just skates off the top of it. Doesn't even scratch it. Fortunately the angle grinder made short work out of them. So everything is installed now. All 4 brakes have their pads installed, and I have bled the system as well. I will have to get these rubber caps for that reservoir at some stage as well. Just something else that was brought to my attention. The rear brake shields have precious little room between the upper link arm and the brake disc itself. So it's absolutely imperative that that is bang on in the center of those 2 devices, otherwise it's going to scrape. And on the subject of aftermarket shit that is plaguing the 124 scene, avoid the parking brake cables with the plastic ends. I can't imagine that's going to last very long.